Okay, here's a 2010 JK we're working on. We're putting a little lift kit on it and getting the suspension taken care of. A few other things. Transmission pan, transmission cross member, front sway bar, things like that. Little transmission leak. There's a project there, but this is a Copart project. That's what this video is about. So that's one. Another one we're working on, 2010 Acura TL. Hey buddy, what you doing? Sit. Stay. Come on, buddy. Yeah. That's my boy. Okay. Here's a 2001. Oh, by the way, that was a Copart vehicle. Here's another one. Did a lot of work on this one. Changed out the front end to a more modern or a newer Xterra, Nissan Xterra, and we painted the fender. The stuff on here. Clean up. Painted the hood. It's a new hood on there, or not a new hood, but new to us. Got a little bit of work to do on that one. These two are not Copart cars. A friend of mine sold me that one. This van's getting ready to sell. It is a salvage vehicle, but we've had it since 2011. So here's a Copart truck that we finished up a few months ago. Been driving that one, having a good time with it. It's just way too small for me, so I'm gonna sell that one. And by the way, that was a 2021 Tacoma and 2001 Xterra. Here's a 2020 F-150 LX STX. It's got the appearance package. You see a little bit of damage up here. Nice custom bumper, take care of that. Some curb rash. On the other side, we got a bad ball joint. This side's perfect. 61,000 miles. Bad to the bone. Money's falling out of it. I love that. Dime fell on the trailer just now. The curb rash, chunk of the tire. It's all good around here. This is a Copart truck. Just picked it up today. Got some ridge grapplers on 20s. And those are 295 60 20s. And I believe that's around a 35. So right here, might do some body work on this aluminum. See how well I do with that. Y'all see a video in the future. Took a nice chunk out of this door and took that nice bend out of it, and whatever they hit, it wasn't too fun evidently. Took a nice hit right there. Same thing on the front, except we just picked up this one. This is what that is going to replace the 2021 Tacoma. All right, now on to the next one. Nice day to fly. Okay, here's another one. 2019 Wrangler JKU Sahara, and this one was totaled as well. We had to replace this fender, some of the suspension, spindle, all that kind of stuff. Front bumper, but it's got the sky view top. Love that, and it's pretty much perfect. This was a Copart vehicle. Hard to believe. Okay, here's the next one. 2015 JKU Sahara. Got a little teeny lift on it. And factory tires and rims, the ones that came on it from Copart, were some really cheap 35-inch tires that made it ride like a tractor, and didn't like that. So there she is. All this was damaged. We replaced this fender here, door. All this has been replaced. This has been replaced. All up in here. All that's brand new. And all the way to there. And underneath, fixed all that up. We painted this one. That one's new. And think that's about it on this one. This one was driving down the road when we got it. And it's got a little rough country lift on it. Well, that about wraps it up. I've got one more. It's a 2014 JK 2-door. And I see that one looks a little good. My boys drive that one. And last but not least, here's the 14 JK 2-door. Nice little pretty lift on it. And this one, believe it or not, the only thing was wrong with it. I'll show you from under here. Let's see. This piece right here, the insurance company cut this piece right there. And we welded it, or my neighbor helped me weld it. And the insurance company cut it to see if the frame was twisted, and it moved like this much when it was cut, so they weren't lined up perfectly together. Anyway, that's kind of what's going on there. You can see they did some little bit nicer sway bar linkages, and a little nicer sway bar, I guess. I don't know. It looks definitely thicker than the back ones. I don't know if this was replaced or not. It looks a little high. This was put on there, obviously. Well, yeah, I think so. To add a little height there. And way taller springs and spacers up there. So this one's riding high. And we got a little bit of leakage going on there. That seal on that axle is not doing too good. Might need to do some work on that bad puppy. So, might need a little something. Yep. Looking good under here though. Anyway, that's what she looks like. There you go. Family full of Jeeps. Came with these tires. They're newer rims. There's some big boys right there. Good looking Jeep.